Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of changing the size of this tab between there. And I wasn't going to do a second video, but I started thinking about another way, which is just as quick. And for the one I'm doing the video for, you have a hidden hairline right there that is going to cut out a little bitty niche in your drawing. So we need to get rid of that. Two ways you can do it. One, you can just slurk it and get rid of it. But your lines are broken up. And I actually checked the way it's going to cut. It's going to cut the star, and it's going to cut here, then it's going to cut there, and it's going to go there. To save time, what I would do, and it would get rid of that. That made me laugh. I told him to hold off. I actually texted him and told him I found a flaw. And he said, no way, not in my work. But anyway, so there's the flaw. But hold the pick tool down. Let's change our nudge distance to 18 inches. Let's grab the pick tool and let's just, holding down the Alt key, grab just the red and nudge them up. Holding down the Alt key, try not to get the text and nudge it up. Wow, I must have gone 180 inches. Yeah. Oh, man. You know what? I'm going to redo that. That's funny. All right. Let's put them back. Okay. Change my nudge factor to 18 inches. Grab the pick tool and hold down the Alt key. What the Alt key does is anything it touches, it allows it to go through, or allows it to pick it and not picking the other. Now, remember that we have a problem in these files, which is right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna smart fill them, and we're gonna put no fill and specify a hairline in black just so we know we got it. We could have it red, but it's still gonna be a hairline. Take the smart fill tool, fill that one in, nudge it down. It's this quick. One, you get rid of the flaw. Two, your cut order will be a lot faster. And we still haven't fixed the problem, but the problem is easily fixed. Now you could actually change those to red, it doesn't matter. It's still a hairline. Now, let's look at the problem. The problem's gone. And the start is right here and the end is right there. So it's going to go around in continuous motion. Now, here's how to fix it. We need to go, if you didn't watch the first video, we need to change this to 0.26 and it's 0.20. Real easy. Set your nudge factor on half that distance, which is 0.03. Take the shape tool, select it, hit the up arrow button and the down arrow button. Whoop. Just remember which ones you've done and just, go in some sort of order. Shape tool, up arrow, down arrow. It's that quick. And you haven't changed the star, you haven't changed the size, and just remember to do that. That's the way I would do it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.